Welcome to American Roots. Today we're going to put together some chicken boxes to finish getting the coop ready. I thought you might want to see how we're using materials resourcefully. So this was free material that we got, and I thought maybe you may be interested to see how they came together. So let's get started. So these were actually the feet that screwed in to these pieces, and that's what went across the bed, and then they screwed in. So I have 4 of them with 4 legs, and I thought, why not cut right there? So here's the pieces of tongue and groove that we had, and I thought that maybe I would make the box exactly that wide. These pieces of wood are 16 inches. It'll hold a Makita, it'll hold a chicken.
Yep. They weigh about the same.
So by using this, now we were able to screw that to the wall and make a perch for one of the chickens. Very sturdy. He's perched right there waiting to lay me an egg. All right, well, that's chicken boxes from reused materials. Thanks for taking the time to hang out with us, and I hope you learned something. Until next time, we pray that you're blessed. We'll see you soon.